Queries can do much more than select data from different tables. They can also perform calculations on your data, giving you easy access to information about totals, averages, and counts. Let's look at an example. Here we have a query that selects data from 3 different tables. It has our store location from the employees table, the primary key from the orders table, and the price field from the products table. In Datasheet view, we can see a record for each individual order that has happened at any of our 3 restaurant locations. By using query totals, we can make this query show us the total number of sales from each location, as well as the total revenue generated by sales. Back in Design view, click the Totals button. This button adds a new row to the design grid at the bottom of the screen called Total. We can use this row to do calculations on our data. Let's start with the Order ID field. Right now, this field shows the primary key for the orders table, which by itself isn't very useful. However, since every record has a unique primary key, counting the number of primary keys is a great way to know how many records are in a table. In this case, it will tell us how many products have been ordered at our restaurants. We'll set the value in the Totals row to count. Let's move on to the Price field. In this query, we're trying to find the total revenue from sales for each location. By changing the total field to Sum, this query will add all of the prices together. Now, if we look at the whole query, we can see that it will group the information by location, count the total number of orders, and give the sum of the prices for the orders. If we switch back to Datasheet view, this new query is easy to understand. In total, the downtown location has sold 10 products for a total of $39.15. If we're interested in the average sale price of each location instead of the total sale price, we can go back to Design view and change this value to average. Now we can see that on average, each product sold at the campus location cost $4.59. We've just learned how to use the count, sum, and average functions to perform calculations on our data. Totals queries are a great way to condense huge amounts of data from tables into a simple summary.